himself, his current club, Mamelodi Sundowns, and of course the potential new club, Orlando Pirates. So there's ongoing talks to get him to transfer to Orlando Pirates in this current window. This emerges. There's also reports that Khuliso Mudau's contract with Mamelodi Sundowns is expiring at the end of the current season, and the current season being the 2025-2026 season. And you'd know that at the beginning of the season, I hope you can still remember that at the beginning of the season, there was drama. There was drama and controversy and a standoff between Khudiso Mudau and Mamelodi Sundowns. It was reported he wanted to leave Mamelodi Sundowns at that point in time. So since then, it is reported that Khudiso Mudau